Hello again, and welcome back to English 12A Unit 1, Performance Task 2. So we went over Performance Task 1, this is Performance Task 2. In Performance Task 2, you're going to create a King Arthur and the Holy Grail booklet. In this booklet, you're going to have read an excerpt from Mort d'Arthur in your textbook, and then you're going to research some of those different aspects. So you're going to research King Arthur, Merlin, Camelot. So King Arthur, Merlin, Camelot, the Holy Grail, the Round Table, and Joseph of Arimathea. In the booklet, you're going to retell how the person, place, or items figured into the Arthurian legend in 1 to 2 paragraphs. Remember, a paragraph is like 5 to 11 sentences-ish. Give evidence, so if any that person, place, or item existed in real life, so you're going to have to do some research because I wouldn't know that off the top of my head. Insert a photograph or an illustration to this person, place, or item. Give a location, a real place that it associated with the person, place, or item. And then you're going to create a works cited page, right, to show me your research. You need to, or you can use easybib.com to help you with that. If you don't know how to use easybib.com, go to my How to Write an Essay video. That will help you with that. Your pages on each of the things should be 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, so a regular sheet of paper. You should be typing this with Times New Roman and Arial, 12-point font, 1-inch margins, 1.5 or smaller line spacing. You also need a title page and your works cited page, so your booklet should be about 8 pages. If you need help, those are some different ways to get that help. If you look on our Google Classroom, you can see here that there's a template that you can use. So you just have to go here. You can make a copy of this and then just kind of pop in your own information. So King Arthur, paste a picture here, retell here, give some evidence here, give a location here, and then cite your source here. Okay, Merlin, same thing, so on and so on and so on. Okay, real easy, real quick to do. And then if you need help with the reading, it's also scanned here in case you can't find your textbook or something. But it's only 5 pages of scanned work to look at there. So it's pretty straightforward and easy in that regard. And it makes it a lot more manageable. You have a checklist here. Did you create this booklet that follows the outline formatted? Did you do the things that required illustrations, title page, works cited page? And then down here you have your rubric. Is the content organized and analyzed effectively? Is the topic detailed with facts? Are the citations listed correctly? Do I see a depth of knowledge? Is it obvious that you did research? And then for this one too, it's 18 out of 25 in order to pass. Other than that, you can also see another example of what that might look like. But other than that, that's all you have to do for Performance Tasks 1 and 2 for English 12A. I will get back to you with the alternative assessment and the review, and then you'll be done with Unit 1 already. Yay!